Can this psychic type discover their fate? Chingling lines up on the outside lane, and its stats seem fairly middle ground. 2.5 stars in speed, disadvantaged 2 stars in power, and 2.5 in skill makes this competitor lack what many others have. 2 stars in stamina, and finally 3.5 stars in jump gives Chingling a few moments to shine throughout the contest, and will give them a final star power rating of 12.7. We've got the makings of a strong underdog here. Linoone bolsters a strong 4 stars in speed, and that's its best stat, a perfect fit for this ferret-like Pokemon. Disadvantaged 2.5 stars in power will see it struggle where strength shines. 2 stars in skill, 3.5 stars in stamina, and finally 2.5 stars in jump gives Linoone a high star power rating for a competitor on the outside lane, 15.7, and earns them a spot in lane 1. Can this towering tree take the gold? Another quick Pokemon. Exeggutor has an advantaged 3 stars in speed, making it relatively middle ground for this heat. 3 stars in power, and an advantaged 3 stars in skill. While disadvantaged, Exeggutor still has 3.5 stars in stamina, and finally, an advantaged 3 stars in jump to give them a final star power rating of 16.5, and they'll line up in lane 4. This little ape has serious potential. Despite being just a first stage Pokemon, Aipom holds an advantaged 4 stars in speed, meaning this little biped is near lightning quick. 2.5 stars in power is its lowest stat, meaning this competitor is above the median in all but this one stat. Advantaged 4 stars in skill and 3 in stamina means this little Pokemon will run circles around its competitors and make it look easy. Finally, 3 stars in jump to give Aipom a final star power rating of 17.7 and a spot in lane 2. Center lane, is this all just hype? Gligar is on the slower end of this heat, 3.5 stars in speed, but a smashing advantaged 4 stars in power is going to see this Pokemon dominate in the strength competition. With advantages in skill with 3 stars and stamina with 2, Gligar is operating at the near peak of his own species. Finally, a disadvantaged 4.5 stars in jump gives Gligar a star power rating of 18.5 and a spot in lane 3.